Stellantis remains committed to Canadian auto production despite Compass shift. Stellantis is reaffirming its long-term commitment to manufacturing vehicles in Canada, despite recently relocating production of the Jeep Compass to the United States. The move, partly influenced by political pressure from the Trump administration, initially sparked controversy and threats of legal action from the Canadian government due to over $1 billion in public funding allocated for retooling the Brampton, Ontario plant. Future production plans despite the Compass cancellation. Stellantis Canada CEO Trevor Longley stated the company intends to continue building cars in Brampton for the foreseeable future. While no specific model has been announced, the company emphasizes its century-long presence in the Canadian auto industry and a desire to maintain operations for another 100 years. Government negotiations. Stellantis is currently engaged in productive dialogue with the federal government to secure future production plans. The company has also provided benefits to the approximately 3,000 workers laid off following the Compass decision. This commitment is crucial, as automotive manufacturing in Canada faces increasing challenges amid global competition and shifting trade dynamics. Production adjustments. While Brampton remains idle for now, Stellantis has increased output of the Dodge Charger and Chrysler Pacifica at its other Ontario facilities. The company claims it is one of the few original equipment manufacturers, OEMs, that increased car production in Canada year over year, hiring 1,700 additional staff for a third shift and over 600 engineers for its Windsor Research Centre. The company's continued investment in Canadian facilities signals a willingness to navigate political and economic pressures while maintaining a significant footprint in the North American automotive market. This situation highlights the delicate balance between corporate decisions, government incentives, and the future of manufacturing jobs in Canada.